Restore male's sexual power to last longer in bed. Lifestyle changes and a better quality diet are the most commonly recommended ways to increase stamina in bed for men. Dietary changes improve nutrient availability and also balance the release of hormones. Lifestyle changes improve metabolic rate to ensure maximum energy production and proper circulation. Positive lifestyle changes improve muscular endurance and relieve stress to calm a male's mind and nerves. These changes can improve the condition of males with low stamina for minor reasons. Natural supplements for men. If lifestyle and dietary changes cannot improve stamina and duration in bed, males should use natural supplements. Masti capsules are the best natural pills to last longer in bed. Males who are busy and unable to maintain a proper eating pattern and daily routine shall use these pills to enhance stamina. These pills reverse the slowness in the reproductive system and physical and mental fatigue arising from aging. Males suffering from chronic disorders may face low stamina conditions due to side effects of the disease and medication. Masti capsules are the best pills to last longer as these dilute the ill effects of diseases and their prescription and allow a male to make sensational love each time. These pills provide long-lasting results. Males gain healthy nervous systems and balanced hormonal by using these pills. Masti capsules provide strong male masculinity to please a woman in bed deeply. Additional tips. Males, unable to prolong their duration, can make up by prolonging their foreplay. Pre-coitus acts arouse a female more and lets her achieve climax quickly and early. Males can also try the start and stop technique. This technique recommends a physical or mental pause during the act, which helps males delay their discharge. Males are recommended to use a thicker condom. It helps those males who cannot endure the sensation and come early in bed. Consumption of foods rich in minerals, vitamins, protein, and healthy carbs helps speed up metabolic rate and improves the release of testosterone hormone. Higher energy and T hormone levels keep a male's stamina up during copulation and allow him to perform longer. Exercises that improve the cardiovascular system improve overall stamina. Strength and resistance exercises help improve the T hormone level and strengthen muscles. All of these are good options to boost stamina and energy. Conclusion. Due to natural aggression in behavior, males tend to come early in bed. If a male is not taking proper care of his health, stamina can go down seriously and make copulation completely dull and disappointing. Positive changes in diet and lifestyle and the use of Masti capsules allow a male to lead a healthy life. These steps improve stamina and cure disorders like fatigue, stress, and low libido that prevent a male from making love for sufficient duration. Masti capsules provide long-lasting results as it handles the problem holistically. World's finest male sexual stamina pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Masti capsules from AyushRemedies.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.